Holy shit! Wow!
Hang on a minute. Now we'll get you in.
Oh my gosh, there's got to be a weight limit to get in here, right?
Lean forward a little bit, Vinny. Okay, I got you.
Holy shit.
You okay?
Yeah, man. I should have done this 10 years ago.
There you go.
Scott, this is my cousin Vinny.
Really?
Yeah.
All
buddy.
right. My cousin Vinny.
For real.
For real, I hear you.
Yeah.
We're good.
So this is what they use?
Yep.
This is the real deal.
No kidding.
All right. Snugged up a little bit.
Vinny, look over here. Look over here and smile. I'll let his hand get now we got it. There we go.
Nice. So this is how basic they look?
The what?
This is how basic they look?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Nice. never let up, right?
No.
Holy shit. No, holy shit. That's how they really race in the race? Layne?
Yeah.
That they just go full bore? Full. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pretty cool, huh?
What a thrill. What a thrill.
So you glad you came?
Oh my gosh, yes. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh.
Well, I was.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was unbelievable.
Hey,
All right.
Now what?
if you guys want to wait around, I can get out and get a picture, but it'll be a while.
Okay, we'll wait.
Okay.
Slide forward a little bit, and the first thing we'll do is try to get your head out.